What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another episode on Holly's Garage. So today is kind of a sad day. I'm actually outside of Hayes Automotive, we're in the back. I have my Subi right here. And the reason I'm over here is because the other night I was driving home from work and the car lost power on the freeway and it just shut off. I tried to start it and the battery died. So the next day I went and got a new battery from O'Reilly's and it started up. But unfortunately it sounded like it had a rod knock. I took it down to Hayes Automotive just to have them confirm that it is a rod knock, and they did confirm it. So I'm gonna start the car for you guys right now just so you guys could hear it. I also have my dad here with me. I wanted to show him what it sounds like, you know, so he could hear it as well. Then we're gonna get the car towed over to Yimi Sport. They rebuilt the motor for me about a year ago, about 13,000 miles ago, so I'm not sure why something like this would have happened, but I know that they will warranty it to me, so we're gonna take it over to them and then I'm gonna meet with them again on Wednesday and we're gonna see what's gonna happen with the Subaru. So let's check out this rod knock. Funny note, my dad's moving his car because it literally just got shit on by like 10 birds. We're under this tree and they're just like targeting me and my dad's car. I'll show you guys. It was literally parked there for 2 minutes. All right guys, here we go. Sounds a little bit better. So we're not sure. Could be a rod knock, could be a lot of different things. It could possibly be the timing tensioner pulley, but I'm not sure. But it does sound a little bit quieter right now than it did before, I will say that. Alrighty guys, so I'm at Yumi Sport. I'm actually on my iPhone because I forgot my camera. Just got the car dropped off. This is what the shop looks like from the outside. You can't really see much, but I'll definitely like give you guys a tour, but let's check out all these Subis. Just wanted to show you guys that. We'll have to see what is next to come. Just take it day by day at this point.
One eternity later.
Alrighty everyone, so as you can see, we're back at my house. We have the Subaru back. We are not in Santa Clarita anymore at Yumi Sport. So they decided that they were not gonna warranty the motor because unfortunately I am 3,000 miles over my warranty point, which was 10,000 miles. I know it sucks, it's only a few miles, but that's the name of the game that we're in. So they are not gonna warranty it. So I am left with a few options on how to handle this rod knock. Basically, I could have them build me a motor, have them purchase a Japanese motor and swap it in for me, or try to do that myself. So the first two options of having a shop do something like that are gonna be much more expensive. The option of me swapping a motor or building a motor for myself is gonna be overall the cheapest. So that's the route I'm deciding to go down. I know it's gonna be a lot of work, but I think it's gonna be a lot of fun and a great learning experience along the road. So let me explain the few options that we have for motor swaps. I'm not gonna do anything crazy like a 2J or an LS. You know, that's just way out of my ballpark of mechanics. But something I would like to do would be to swap in a Japanese WRX motor. Few options that we would have, we could do a JDM STI motor, we could do a JDM WRX non-AVCS motor, or a JDM WRX AVCS motor. Basically, these motors would be the EJ207, which is the JDM STI motor, the EJ205 non-AVCS, which is the WRX non-AVCS motor, and the EJ205 AVCS, which is the WRX motor with AVCS. AVCS is basically Subaru's version of VTEC for Hondas. It has something to do with the cams and the way the intake opens up, and it will help with low-end torque from what I've heard. So that is the option I want to go with. It's definitely going to be one of the cheaper routes to go down. I can't afford to buy an STI motor, which is about $5,000. These motors run for about $1,000 and they're readily available. So that's what we're going to be doing. That's what I've decided, that the project we're going to take on. We're going to be swapping in a JDM WRX EJ205 AVCS motor into my Subi. It's going to be an amazing project, and let me let you know some of the things I can promise that we will teach you how to do along the way. First off, we're gonna have to pull the radiator out of the car. We're also gonna have to pull the alternator, power steering pump, power steering pump, and the AC compressor. So if you want to learn how to pull those off the WRX, definitely consider subscribing because we're going to be showing you how to do all that. Also going to show you how to remove the motor and do a lot of little things in the engine bay. We're going to teach you how to prep the engine bay for paint. We're going to try to wire tuck some of those wires and just clean it up and make it look real nice for the new motor. It's going to be a really exciting process. I'm going to be learning a lot with you guys. You guys can learn a lot if you'd like to tune in. So please subscribe, support us on this build. I really appreciate all your support you've already been giving me. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at HollyBoyMedia and hit me up on Snapchat at Holly5.0 where you'll get to see behind the scenes peeks of this build. We'll be uploading new content, DIYs for this build every Friday at noon from now on until it's done. Let's do it. Let's rebuild this motor. Let's get it done. Subscribe. Let's bang it out. Smash the like button. And remember, what your mind can conceive and believe, you can achieve. Peace out. Let's get it!